Hey everybody, this is Vinny with ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, home of some of the most useful and versatile Excel tools out there. My goal for the last 16 years has been to provide you. I've been doing this, doing one or two videos every week, and to provide you some really great tools that allow you to automate certain processes, mostly focused on the logistics world, save you time, remove human error from a lot of your processes, and hopefully save you money. Every week I get a few emails from a lot of you telling me, and I really appreciate, and this is fuel for me, how much you appreciate the tools that we've built and how much they've helped. So thank you very much. Keep them coming. Always, I appreciate listening to the stories on how a lot of these tools have made your life just a little bit better. So, and that's kind of been my goal for the last 16 years. So today, what we're looking at is a tool that will allow you to generate a list of zip codes within a Google Maps radius ring. So what the tool will do is, for any given location, for any given zip code, it will give you a list of zip codes within a certain radius. The reason for that might be, maybe you need to know which zip codes you need to target for your business within a certain radius. Maybe you can figure out delivery areas, etc. So a lot of uses for this specific tool. So without further ado, let me show you how this thing works. First, let's once you've downloaded the tool, obviously, just a quick disclaimer: the tool does use the Google Maps API. You will need to have a Google Maps API key. It's extremely easy to use. There is a link in the description, and also once you get the tool, you'll get an email from me with instructions on how to get that. But it's free of charge to get, and should only take about 3 to 4 minutes. So let's think for a moment. I've got a zip code. Let's choose a zip code in Phoenix, Arizona, for example, 85021. And what I'm looking to find is, I want to find a list of zip codes within, in this case, 20 miles radius. I also, this tool also allows us to calculate driving distance between those. And let's say I just want to generate only the first 50 results, right? And you can put 0 there to return all the results within a 20-mile radius. Actually, let's do that. I want to see all the zip codes that are in a 20-mile radius from the zip code 85021. Once I've done that, all I got to do is click on generate. And as you can see, the tool automatically generated a list of those zip codes for me. Looks like there are about 85 of them, and it's kind of going to Google Maps and generating the straight line distance and the driving distance, and also we've got the driving time in minutes, and they're ordered from the closest zip code to the furthest. And again, since we use the 20-mile radius, the furthest one will be less than 20 miles in a straight line distance. And really should be as easy as that. You can do this for any zip codes, enter the zip code there. Unfortunately, it only works for US zip codes, but you can enter any zip codes and it will give you the driving or the radiuses within a certain mileage. And again, you can limit the results, or you have the choice not to. Thank you very much for watching. Hopefully this tool will help you to automate a process that you need, something that you need maybe for your marketing or for your other maybe delivery needs. And if there is anything else that you need, by all means, my phone number and my email are in the description, so feel free to reach out. Again, I've been building these tools for the last 16 years, and I'm really looking forward to hearing from you. Thank you.